Hi guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. Assalamu alaikum, how are you all? This is all about self-portrait photography. I am in quarantine and it's been like 5 days at home right now. So today we are going to talk about how can you take self-photography at home with the minimum equipments which you have. My gear is for today A6400 with 16mm 1.4 Sigma lenses. I'll be using a light which is a ring light, and in case if you don't have a light, you can use a window where like this will be more helpful for you to get the pictures done. So our first photo will be like long exposure shot. So basically I'm gonna turn off all the lights which is here, and I have to make sure that there is no light coming in, and I'm gonna use only one ring light, which is I have a small one, not a big one. So let's get started. Camera with the phone so that I can see myself, and I can do the focus, adjustment, all lighting, everything together. This is how we done. Comment down below and subscribe to my channel if you like the video.